Welcome to On Tilt Trading. Currently, I am short in Bitcoin in a few positions. I'll walk you through what I have going on here, top down, starting here on the daily chart. We'll zoom in here. This Fibonacci retracement tool here, this is my current dealing range and my overall range here on the daily chart is where you're seeing these blue lines. It's not the best, but this blue line here and this blue line down here. So this is the swing low right here, and right up here is the swing high, and these blue lines extend out in time for the price levels that they represent. And within that, we'll zoom into the daily chart. We'll remove this Fibonacci retracement here for a minute, so we can see here there's a swing level right here. This candle here closes below it here and creates a market structure shift that sends price delivery to the sell side. With that, here a fair value gap is created here on the daily chart, with this candle right here serving as the order block here. We get this sell side delivery. This candle here, which is yesterday's candle, delivered to the buy side, and that candle traded up into this fair value gap right here. But when I put the Fibonacci retracement tool back up here, one thing that you'll see is that price failed to reach a premium here. So premium here, discount here. So all prices in this area are premium. So you want to buy, or my apologies, you want to sell in this area and cover down at a discount, and you want to buy at a discount and sell up here at a premium. So looking at equilibrium being the balance point. In order to go short, I want to get an entry price up here to premium, so get value. So since price failed to reach up into this equilibrium and then was set to deliver to the sell side, as far as in choosing targets, I didn't pick any targets just because of the daily chart. I chose targets that was on the 60-minute chart. On the 60-minute chart, but I targeted this daily candle, the low of this candle here. But when you look at the low of this candle, it's very close to the lows of these candles. So you're getting this near equal low effect. So I decided to target the sell side liquidity resting below this candle here, which I believe is September 7th. So targeting the liquidity that's below there. You can see that today price has already sold below yesterday's low and back into this early September area here. I know that sell side has been swept out of this candle here for the 9th of September. What do we have? 536. So yeah, so liquidity has been swept out of this candle and this candle. There's only about $5 remaining that would sweep the liquidity out from this last candle here. That's where a near equal low is located. So I'm currently holding my position for that level. We'll see if it gets hit. Getting as close as $5 on Bitcoin is really close, so I'm not certain whether or not this target will be reached or if I will have to exit here on pullback. And then here on the 60-minute chart here on the 60-minute chart, you can see yesterday, this is yesterday price delivery to the buy side here. Some consolidation in this area, and then sell side delivery, pullback, and sell side delivery here. So with that, watching Bitcoin. I took an entry here in this candle when there was a new 60-minute high that swept out this buy side liquidity here. And then I took a short position, and you can see price delivering to the sell side here. Also, price is trading within this fair value gap here, which is equivalent to this fair value gap here on the daily chart. And then if we come over to the 15-minute, we'll get into more detail on this position. So here, I will remove this Fibonacci retracement tool here for now. And you can see here on the 15-minute, this is 8:30 a.m. New York time. So you can see here, price action. No, that may not be. This may be 1:30. Yeah, this is 1:30. So this is 1:30 p.m. New York time. And when that time comes in, you can see here buy side liquidity is swept out of the market here with this candle trading to the buy side. When that happens, price delivers to the sell side here, consolidates and sell side. But there's a price level right here. There's a short-term low right here. And you can see price in this candle here trade below it, which creates a market structure shift, which would give me a short bias. Now I'm looking for a fair value gap in this area, but there are no fair value gaps in this area. So I'm going to go down to a lower time frame, down to the 5-minute. And here on the 5-minute, actually, let me go back up to the 15-minute and put the Fibonacci retracement back on. Here. Now I'll drop down into the 5-minute. So now I've seen the market structure shift, which is what I want to see. Now here in the 5-minute, I want to adjust this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, here. Okay. So here, now with this up, I want to see a fair value gap at equilibrium or at a better price. This is the wrong one, wrong gap. Okay, here we are. That's the current fair value gap, or that's the current price action here. Switching charts. Okay, here we go. So here on the 5-minute chart, this is the dealing range that was represented on the 15-minute chart. That's equivalent here to the 60-minute to this area here. Is the same as this area here. So with that, you get this market structure shift that I showed on the 15-minute, and then we get pullback. And if you see right here, there's a fair value gap right here, and here is the equilibrium. So anything in this area is premium, anything down here is discount. So I'm looking for price to offer me a good price or offer me a valued price. If we scroll over, we'll see here on the 5-minute where I took 2 entries. The first entry, I was not prepared for this trade. I had an idea that this might happen, but I wasn't or I didn't have as much conviction. I was just trying to wait to see. I knew there were a lot of different possibilities, and trying to, let's say, dial in my bias and my actual trading style, like how I want to approach this system. I hadn't dialed in, and ideally it will show itself, which it has been since this trade has been setting up. But in this candle here, price goes up into this area. I missed this, so I took an entry here in case price did not go back into that during this candle. You can see the candle actually closes here, comes down, comes back up. I'm able to take an entry here at my desired entry, and then my stop losses are both the same. They're above this high here. If I come over to the daily chart here, you'll see my stops and take profits on these. So my stop loss here, you can see on the daily chart, is just above yesterday's high, and take profit is sorry about that. And take profit is sell side liquidity, resting just below here. And then you can see price delivers here to the sell side quite well. And I'll switch back to a 15-minute here. And let's adjust this retracement tool. Here. Okay, so after this trade is initiated, you can see there's pretty consistent sell side delivery. Let me double check this time level. Yep, that's correct. Okay. We get steady sell side delivery, further sell side delivery here, get this fair value gap, get some consolidation, price comes back, tests, trades into this fair value gap, and tests this order block here. And then price continues to deliver to the sell side after delivering there. And we can see here, actually let's go over to the 60-minute chart for what I'm seeing here. So over on the 60-minute chart, you're getting that same price action, sell side delivery, consolidation, sell side fair value gap. Here's the order block, consolidation, pull back to test this fair, or pull back into this fair value gap. Now I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool here. And then we get this. So there was a level back here that was the structural level, or the low here, which would have been the swing low here. So the swing, or the range low. The range low would have been here, which it is a swing low. The range low would have been here, and then the range high being here, where you see this blue line here across the top of the 60-minute chart. So this candle here closes below that, which would create a break of structure here. Break of structure. Then you get that pullback into the fair value gap. Then price delivers to the sell side again, and here. So the level would have been here. This candle here closes below that level, creating another break of structure. So to me, this is showing the potential, or a higher probability, for Bitcoin to deliver further to the sell side. So when this happens, I track the price action, and then I put I put this Fibonacci retracement tool up for this particular here. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart here. For this particular price leg. So with this breakup structure, looking for pullback for another leg lower. And you can see here, actually, let me double check this. This is actually here. So you can see when price action in this following candle pulls back here, which gives this area on the charts here. So if we come into this area, you can see price delivered to the sell side, pull back. There is a fair value gap here on the 15-minute. And again, ill prepared for this because I'm looking to take profits in the position that I'm already in before getting into another position. So I'm not exactly where I want to be on these trades, on these lower trades, much like the first trade, like trying to time the entry. But there is a tiny fair value gap right here, and this here is the order block here. So with that, looking for an entry at this fair value gap here that is at equilibrium or better. That way I'm getting value. And you can see my entries. My first entry I missed, but then was able to get an entry a little lower than the gap. And then this second position here, able to get it in the correct position here with the fair value gap. And then looking for price to deliver to the sell side again here on the daily chart to this sell side liquidity here, but price has traded about $5 short of that level here. And then since then price has delivered to the buy side here and has been testing this area here on the charts, and you can see now it's basically consolidating here in this area, and then right now I am either anticipating price to deliver back to the sell side to finish the sweep here and then deliver to the buy side, or for price to continue up, get a close. This is the current level here on the 15-minute. So if a candle closes above this level, and ideally I want to see price action trade above this red candle here. So this red candle here is currently a bullish order block. We have a change in direction here, or a change in the state of delivery, and then you have an imbalance that is created right here. But in order for this order block to be validated, price will have to trade above it, which it has failed to do thus far. But if price does trade above it and I get a closure above here, then I will be looking for price to pull back, and then I would exit these positions on pullback and then enter a new position to the buy side. And then for my history today, 729, 733, which for New York, this would be 929 and 933. These sells, these add to the positions, and we'll see how price action plays out moving forward. So far, got a few BTC. We'll see how the day trades forward. But it looks like price wants to, well, I really don't know. It looks like price wants to just continue trading here to the buy side. As you can see, the bodies of the candles have consistently gone higher here. There was some pullback into this candle, but it still closed higher on the body. So showing buy side delivery here for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the last hour and 15 minutes, it's been pure buy side delivery here for Bitcoin. So it'll be interesting to see if this buy side holds into a market structure shift. So if price does close above this level, that would create a market structure shift. But ideally, I want to see price return to the sell side, complete this sweep of liquidity here on the daily before returning to the buy side and potentially here into equilibrium or higher onto the daily chart. And that way price can really start to pull back here. If you would like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade